GPT-4 and how it improves itself. Ever wondered what it's like to have a 24/7 virtual assistant who can answer all your questions and perform tasks in an instant? That's the power of modern AIs like Chat GPT. In the words of Elon Musk, he said that Chat GPT is scary good. He thinks that with Chat GPT, we are not far from a dangerously strong AI. Chat GPT is a powerful tool with capabilities that can help simplify different tasks. Just think of it as if you're chatting with a very smart person who can give you facts and even perform tasks at hyperspeed with unbelievable accuracy. It can help developers write their code in an instant, build your resume, summarize content, and even write any type of letter with your desired voice. But since the release of ChatGPT on November 30th, 2022, a lot of things have changed. Now imagine having ChatGPT but with magnified capabilities. Enter ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4 can answer questions with human-like fluency as well as accuracy. To give you a better perspective, if you ask ChatGPT-4 is it wrong to wear a plain t-shirt during a wedding, you can expect an answer that is similar to having a conversation with a real human. Unlike Google or Siri, asking the same questions will only give you websites and articles that may answer your query. This is why a month after being announced that Bing Chat is being powered by the ChatGPT-4, the Microsoft search engine recorded a total of 45 million chats on its platform. What grabbed users' attention is the fact that it's a way more powerful version of ChatGPT. Plus, it comes with full access to the World Wide Web. To put things into perspective, GPT-4 can process 25,000 words all at once, which is 8 times more powerful than its predecessor. But the thing that makes ChatGPT-4 special is its ability to improve all by itself. In today's video, we'll discuss how this powerful AI can learn, correct its mistakes, and evolve even without human assistance. We'll also cover its limitations and what you can expect from a self-learning AI. What is ChatGPT-4? Before we go deep into ChatGPT-4's abilities, let's start with the question, what is ChatGPT-4? GPT-4 is OpenAI's latest release in its language model systems. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or a type of language model that can mimic human conversations. Unlike previous versions, GPT-4 is a multimodal model. What it means is that it can accept different inputs from text to images. For instance, you can upload a worksheet and let ChatGPT-4 figure out everything for you. You could show ChatGPT-4 a photo of balloons and ask the AI what's going to happen to the balloons if you cut the rope attached to them. Between GPT 3.5 and GPT-4, the latter comes with a more powerful intellectual capability, beating its predecessor in simulated benchmark exams. According to OpenAI, it calls ChatGPT-4 the most advanced system producing safer and more useful responses. In OpenAI's internal testing, it was discovered that ChatGPT-4 produces 40% more factual responses and is 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content. How does GPT-4 work? So how does GPT-4 work? To be a bit technical, it uses what we call transformer blocks. Each block consists of different subcomponents that work together to process data and provide meaningful results. ChatGPT, when it started, was fed with over 300 billion words and 570 gigabytes of data coming from books, articles, Wikipedia, and other bits of info online. As a multimodal model, ChatGPT-4 was fed with images as well as additional text pieces, making the newer version more accurate and coherent for its users. How to access ChatGPT-4? So, how do you get access to ChatGPT-4? According to OpenAI, ChatGPT Plus subscribers can access GPT-4 via chat.openai.com. However, even if you pay $20 per month to access ChatGPT-4, it comes with a catch, at least for now. ChatGPT Plus subscribers are currently limited to 25 messages every 3 hours. However, OpenAI promised to scale up its system to accommodate more users. To get a taste of ChatGPT-4 without becoming a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, you can check out Bing Chat via bing.com. Unfortunately, it also comes with a cap. Bing Chat only allows you to have 15 chats per session, and you can only do 150 sessions a day. And not just that, you don't get all its features such as its visual input. GPT-4 still makes mistakes. In reality, the current iteration of GPT-4 is far from perfect. Similar to the previous GPT models, it makes mistakes, and even OpenAI admits that it is not fully reliable. Despite the errors, GPT-4 scored 40% higher than its predecessor when it comes to internal adversarial factual evaluation. And just like humans, errors are an important part of GPT-4's ability to learn and improve on its own. It uses a self-reflection mechanism or its self-critic algorithm to learn and improve its output. In October 2019, Google published a paper co-authored by Google Brain researchers Oriol Vials, Kwok V. Lee, and Andrew Levine entitled Natural Language Processing with Deep Recurrent Neural Networks. The paper proposed a new algorithm that would train language models. Fast forward to today, GPT-4's self-critic algorithm makes this idea a reality. The algorithm kicks in once the system makes a mistake. It adjusts the weights of the neural network, making sure that the mistake is less likely to happen again. Its self-critic algorithm is part of the AI's reinforcement learning, RL, where it conducts self-evaluation to gain useful information from its own mistakes. In reinforcement learning, Chat GPT-4 learns by being fully engaged in its environment. RL adds another important component by involving rewards and punishments. The system learns by recognizing which actions led to a positive outcome and which ones resulted in a negative outcome. Reflection. Chat GPT-4 also makes use of a process coined as reflection. What the AI does is analyze its output and then compare it for relevance, accuracy, and coherence, among many others. By doing so, Chat GPT-4 can identify areas that need improvement. But just how good is its self-critique algorithm? According to OpenAI, Chat GPT-4 has already improved its overall performance by having this type of approach. OpenAI claims that even with self-critique alone, the AI can improve its performance by up to 30%. Self-supervised learning. Aside from the use of its self-critic algorithm, another important aspect that contributes to ChatGPT-4's ability to improve is the concept of self-supervised learning. Self-supervised learning is a technique where ChatGPT-4 learns from unlabeled data without supervision. ChatGPT-4 relies mostly on unstructured text data that can be found online. With self-supervised learning, the AI recognizes patterns, relations, and contexts. It then understands the meaning behind phrases, predicts missing words in a sentence, and connects different information on its own. It then incorporates a feedback loop. Here, the user's response and corrections allow the AI to better understand different topics and produce more accurate responses. Aside from user feedback, there are the reviewers that can ensure everything is correct. Challenges for ChatGPT-4's improvement. Even if AI is capable of improving its knowledge, there are a lot of touchy subjects surrounding the development of artificial intelligence technology. For one, there should be a balance between ethics and capability to learn and teach useful information. That is why OpenAI, along with other organizations, is dedicated to creating responsible AI technology. With the self-learning AI, there is a need for transparency in avoiding biases. Another issue with self-learning AI systems is the fact that it relies on a large amount of information, including sensitive personal information. Preventing unauthorized access to sensitive data is another challenge for AI developers. Also, who should be responsible for AI-generated outcomes? Who should be blamed if the self-learning AI like ChatGPT-4 made a crucial mistake that had major repercussions? What if ChatGPT was used to leak personal information present online? What does it mean for other AI applications? GPT-4's ability to learn new things has a huge impact in our future, especially when it comes to AI applications. This could potentially improve the accuracy of other machine learning models. Plus, this algorithm could change the way AIs understand natural language input made by users. Just imagine if this technology is being used by search engines. It has the potential to improve search results, allowing users to find the right website faster. It also comes with endless possibilities for different industries. We could be seeing AIs that diagnose medical conditions, or an AI that can be used for fraud detection and risk assessment in the financing and banking industry. Or perhaps, this holds the key to improving the overall production process for manufacturing industry, enhancing overall supply chain management. ChatGPT-4 limitations. After all that's been discussed in this video so far, GPT-4 is a powerful AI that can learn on its own and adjust its accuracy and performance through its mistakes. However, just like its previous models, it doesn't possess common sense and the knowledge that a human has. It could still give inappropriate answers, and may sometimes give answers that won't make any sense. Another limitation of ChatGPT-4 is its reliance on its user's capability. The extent of its answers will still depend on the user's input and how capable is the user in writing his queries. But even if it isn't exactly perfect, OpenAI has been addressing its issues, making Chat GPT 4 a more useful AI tool as time goes by. Evolution rather than a revolution. So, have we entered the AI revolution? Are we going to see people lose their jobs because of this technology? Before GPT-4 was released, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman commented in an interview that people are begging to be disappointed, and they will be. Altman acknowledges that despite the advanced features of GPT-4, it is going to take some time before we see an AI that can revolutionize everything we do. Rather, it's more of a slow adoption for different industries. Conclusion. We're living in a time when yesteryear's science fiction is now a reality. GPT-4's self-critic algorithm, self-supervised learning, and the use of a feedback loop are fascinating yet scary developments in AI. It can have huge implications not just in AI technology, but in other industries including healthcare and education. However, the adoption of AI across different industries may come at different rates depending on several factors including industry readiness and ethical considerations. How did you like our video? Let us know in the comment section below.